Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily sign up for the Twitch account. So first thing first, simply head over to your browser and search in for Twitch official site. And once you search in for the twitch.tv, you'll be redirected to this page. See your official, let me just mute it, where you can see your official Twitch site. So once you are inside here, simply click on sign up, as you don't have the existing account. So once you're over here, simply type in your username like this, and once you type in all of your details just like this, simply click on sign up and wait for some time, and it will send you the code to the particular Gmail. So let me just enter my Gmail code, and just like this you will receive your 6-digit code. Simply copy it from over here and simply paste it just like this, and wait for some time until it verifies, and you will have successfully created your official Twitch account. From here you can stream your video games or do anything you like. You can also watch the other people stream their video games. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, and see you on the next one.